Where there is only darkness and endless Canadian forest, a police DVR recorded something disturbing. The headlights pick out a huge figure from the darkness, walking along the road with frightening calm. The creature does not react to the car, does not accelerate, and does not show fear. This is the official record, and it leaves more questions than answers.
Unit 30, I'm on County Road 9 northbound. You copy this?
Go ahead, 30.
I've got, I don't even know, a massive subject walking the shoulder. Looks like a large male.
Looking at the physical proportions in this footage, we see classic Sasquatch morphology. Notice the no neck silhouette. The head appears to be tucked directly into the massive trapezius muscles, creating a conical shape that is nearly impossible for a human in a costume to replicate convincingly. The shoulders are incredibly broad, spanning what looks to be at least 3 feet across. Even more telling is the arm length. If you look at the creature's left side, the hand reaches down toward the knee level. In human anatomy, the fingertips usually rest at mid-thigh. This elongated limb-to-torso ratio is a primary indicator of a non-human primate. The way the light reflects off the figure's coat is another point of interest. It isn't the flat, dull sheen of synthetic fur. It has a texture of living, matted hair that holds depth and shadow. The creature's gait, described by the officer as heavy and deliberate, is footage here mid-stride. There is a fluidness to the movement, a mid-tarsal break, suggested by how the weight is distributed on the gravel shoulder. This giant isn't startled by the patrol car. It doesn't look back or exhibit the flight or fight response of a deer or a bear. It shows a total indifference to human technology, behaving as an apex predator that knows it is the master of its environment. When we use the road markings and the height of the vehicle's hood for scale, we are looking at an entity that stands well over 7 feet tall. The sheer mass required to fill out that silhouette is staggering. This official footage leaves little room for trick of the light theories. We're looking at a living, breathing mystery that stepped out of the folklore and into the glare of a dash cam. What do you think? Is this the definitive proof of the Saskatchewan Bigfoot?